Cleome, also known as spider flower, is a popular garden plant that produces beautiful and unique flowers. While it is often planted in the spring, fall is actually the perfect time to plant Cleome seeds. In this video, we will discuss why fall is the ideal time for planting Cleome seeds and how to do it properly. Why fall is the perfect time to plant Cleome seeds. 1. Cooler temperatures. Cleome seeds require a soil temperature between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal germination. During the fall season, temperatures start to cool down, making it easier to maintain the ideal soil temperature. This is especially beneficial in areas with hot summers, where it can be challenging to keep the soil cool enough for seed germination. 2. Longer growing season. By planting Cleome seeds in the fall, you give the plants a longer growing season. The plants will have plenty of time to establish themselves and develop strong root systems before winter sets in. This will result in larger and healthier plants when they start to bloom in the spring. 3. Less competition. Many gardeners focus on planting in the spring and summer, which means there is less competition for resources in the fall. By planting Cleome seeds in the fall, you give them a better chance to establish themselves and grow before other plants start to compete for resources. 4. Fall rain. Fall often brings more rain, which can be beneficial for newly planted seeds. The moisture from the rain helps the seeds to germinate and establish themselves in the soil. How to plant Cleome seeds in the fall. 1. Choose a planting location. Cleome prefers full sun and well-draining soil. Choose a location that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. 2. Prepare the soil. Cleome seeds prefer loose and well-draining soil. Remove any weeds or debris from the planting area and loosen the soil to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Mix in some compost or organic matter to improve the soil's fertility. 3. Plant the seeds. Sow the Cleome seeds directly into the soil, planting them about 1/4 inch deep. Space the seeds about 12 to 18 inches apart. 4. Water the seeds. Water the seeds immediately after planting to help them settle into the soil. Continue to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged until the plants have established themselves. 5. Mulch the area. Mulch the planting area with a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or leaves, to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. 6. Monitor the plants. Keep an eye on the plants as they grow, and water them as needed. Once the plants have established themselves, they require little maintenance other than occasional watering during dry spells. In conclusion, fall is the perfect time to plant Cleome seeds. With cooler temperatures, longer growing seasons, less competition, and more fall rain, Cleome seeds have a better chance of germinating and establishing themselves in the soil. By following the above steps, you can enjoy beautiful and unique spider flowers in your garden come spring.